Hearts heavy like the evening rain. Every word felt like a landslide. Too much talking, too much pain. Then you reached out for my hand. Love said, come, let's walk a little more. Every step across that old bridge, I felt heaven in your core. For every bridge, there is a holy river of happiness running underneath our fear and all our bitterness. We just got to hold on tight. Don't let the moment pass. Oh, darling, oh, for every bridge, there is a holy river of happiness, and I will cross it with you, my love. At last, Sunday dress and your gold bangles, moonlight on your cocoa skin, choir echoes from the hillside, soft and low like violin. Yeah, you were humming little love songs while the world was shouting loud, all on that shaky wooden walkway. We found peace inside the sound. For every bridge, there is a holy river of happiness running underneath our fear and all our bitterness. We just got to hold on tight. Don't let the moment pass, my baby. Oh, for every bridge, there is a holy river of happiness, and I will cross it with you, my love. At last, let the organ sing like Sunday, let the piano kiss your name, let the guitars dance around you as the horns go up in flames from Kingston Sea to Cape Town sky. All the people feel this fire, every heartbeat, every drumbeat saying you are my desire. For every bridge, there is a holy river of happiness running underneath our fear and all our bitterness. We just got to hold on tight. Don't let the moment pass. Oh, babe, oh, for every bridge, there is a holy river of happiness, and I will cross it with you, my love. At last, walk with me across that bridge, Valentine in every kiss.